Even when they spoke French, I knew that there was something different about their French from the non-Jewish friends. So language was very important. And it turns out, in fact, that even though I had not been spoken to in Yiddish, that many of the words, when I came to live with my aunt and uncle in New York, were recognizable. And very interesting that when I came to live with them, I knew French and Spanish. They knew English, Yiddish, maybe a little Polish, but that was it. So communication was difficult and mandatory, and so I quickly learned Yiddish and English.